Good morning, children. Today we will do the chapter Our Resources. In this video, I will tell you some in between questions, very short questions, and your exercise work. Okay, so be very careful. Take your pen, paper, and pencil or pen and book along with you so that you can note down the things just as I am telling you. The first short question, or you can say in between question, that what are the elements which found around us, what are the elements which found around us and fulfill our needs called? And the answer is resources. The answer is resources. How many types of resources are there? There are 3 types of resources. How many types of resources are there? There are 3 types of resources. Name the main types of resources. Answer is number 1, natural resources. Number 2, human resources, and number 3, human made resources. Number 1, natural resources. Number 2, human resources, and number 3, human made resources. Right? And then what is economic value? Anything which can be purchased or sold. Whatever money is given in the exchange, that is called as the economic value. Then aesthetic value, the scenic beauty, or just like natural elements such as mountains, seas, and scenic beauty, for which we are paying the money to visit that and enjoy the time for picnic or excursion, that is called as the aesthetic value. Now, did you know, there is a question given that did you know means knowledge is given to you, and the petroleum deposit has transformed the desert countries of the Middle East such as Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Qatar into, so which mineral has transformed the desert country like Saudi Arabia into rich nation? Which mineral has transformed the desert countries like Saudi Arabia into the rich nation? And the answer is petroleum deposits. Petroleum deposits. Then next question, on the basis of distribution, into how many types we can divide the natural resources? And the answer is 2 types. Number 1, ubiquitous, and number 2, localized. Ubiquitous, ubiquitous, ubiquitous resource, and number 2, localized resource, localized, localized resource. What do you mean by productivity? The rate at which resources are produced is called productivity, or it may come in one word like that. The rate at which resources are produced, what is it called? And the answer is productivity. Understood? Now let us come to the choose the correct options. What is a dash resource? And the answer is B for boy, abiotic. Second, which of the following products can be recycled? And the answer is A. A for apple, gold jewelry. Gold jewelry. Third, an example of a human-made resource is dash. And the answer is C. C for cat and dam. Then, what is the following? Which of the following is a ubiquitous resource? And the answer is A. Air. A for apple, air. Then fifth, the rainforests of Amazon basin are dash. And the answer is C. C for cat, renewable. Renewable. Right, now B, state whether true or false. In this we will do only true or false, and when they will come in exam you have to write full spelling TRUE true and FALSE false. True or false. Number 1, nature directly or indirectly takes care of all our requirements. The answer is true. Second, the use of resources depends upon the level of technology. The answer is true. Sunlight is an exhaustible resource. That is false. Sunlight can never be exhaust. It is false. Fossil fuels cannot be recycled. True. Fossil fuels, once when we are using it, they are finished. They cannot be renewed, recycled. Then, productivity does not depend on the political stability of a nation. That is false. That is false. Now, match the columns. Migratory birds. The correct answer will come biotic. B. Sedimentary rocks. The correct answer is A. Inexhaustible. Inexhaustible. Sand on the beaches. E is correct answer. Abiotic. Abiotic. Then bituminous coal. The correct answer is C. Non-renewable, because once coal is burnt, that remain is ashes and we cannot use it. And home theaters, and the answer is human made. D. Now correct pair is B, A, E, C, D. In front of B, in front of A, first, now in front of 1, B will come, in front of 2, A will come, in front of 3, E will come, in front of 4, C will come, in front of 5, D will come. Right? In exam when you will do, you will write the correct answers, just like migratory birds, and you have written the answer biotic. You will not write A, B, C, D. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. All the elements of the environment that humans need and value are called resources. 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 Second, the USA and the UK are developed countries. DEVELOPED. Developed countries. Third, minerals like iron, gold and silver can be recycled. 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 Fourth, the rate at which resources are produced is called productivity. Productivity. अभी क्वेश्चन भी करा है इसके बारे में आपने, so you can do it. Productivity. We must not dash our natural resources waste. 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 Now answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. What do you understand by the term resources? And for this I think you can do it easily. That is 134 page. Under the key term resources is given an element of the environment which can be used to satisfy our needs and is of value to us is called resource. For example, also you can give the names of some resources. It's up to you. Second, name 3 factors that determine the use of resources. Name 3 factors that determine the use of resources. Number 1, it is given on page number 135, left hand side, first paragraph. And the use of resources depends upon, these are the factors. Number 1, the needs of the people of a region. Number 2, their knowledge. Number 3, the level of technology they possess. Once again I am telling you, the need of the people of a region. Number 2, their knowledge about the resource. Okay. Number 3, the level of technology they possess. These 3 factors are there. Next question, what are the 3 types of resources? Already you have done. So once again I am telling you, the 3 types of resources are: number 1, natural resources, number 2, human resources, and number 3, human made resources. Name 2 minerals that can be recycled, and the answer is gold and silver. Gold and silver. You may write iron also. Iron, gold and silver, any 2 you can write. What do you understand by a reserve? Answer is the total collection of any resource. The total collection of any resource is called reserve. Next question. Mention the factors on which productivity of a resource depends. Answer: the factors on which productivity of a resource depends, you will take from the question. Then point number 1, education. Number 2, knowledge. And number 3, technology. Number 3, technology. Number 1, knowledge. Number 2, education. Number 3, technology. Okay. I hope so that you have noted down all the answers. Otherwise, as many times you will listen this video, you will see this video, you can do the question answers and exercise work and everything. Have a nice day. We will meet with the next video again. Keep on watching and sharing with your friends, and subscribe the channel.